All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we are on the wargrum.io. We're in the hub, basically, right? So we're at the wallets and funds. So Wargrum does something a little different than most. It actually uses you have a choice. You can either connect one of your own wallets that you've already created, but if you don't want to create a new wallet, you don't want to have to deal with managing another wallet, we have managed wallets. Okay. Since Wargrum basically operates from Solana or Cardano, you can basically create a managed wallet and you don't have to worry about it. It's all basically connected through your email. Okay. So connect Solana wallet. I can either connect a wallet that already exists in my browser, or I can create a managed wallet instead. I don't have a Solana wallet, so I'm just going to create a managed wallet. So create managed Solana wallet. Wargrum creates and holds this wallet for you via CrossMint. No seed phrase to manage. You can connect a self-custody wallet anytime later if you want. So I'm creating this wallet right now, and this is my address. Okay. Managed wallet created. Top it up from any wallet to buy packs. So this is my Solana wallet address in the Wargrum system. And I can copy that, paste it anywhere. I can send anything I want to it. I can send Solana to it. I can send, basically it's a wallet. Okay. The same with Cardano. I can click this. I can connect my wallet if I had like Cardano wallet and Brave or Lace. Or create another managed wallet. Same thing. I create it. It's going to give me a Cardano wallet address, which you can see is dramatically different than the rest. And then I just click done. So now, from now on, I can do whatever I want. I can send ADA or Solana to either of those wallets. Make sure you don't get them confused. I mean, you shouldn't. They're completely different. Cardano wallets always start with ADDR. And then that's it. And then from there, you can go and start, once you've sent some funds, you can start minting booster packs or buying booster packs. You can buy them by the pack. You can buy them by the box. You can buy them on Cardano or Solana. And this is cross-chain. So the cards, it looks like we're already getting some people minting cards because this keeps track. This isn't this grid. This is just showing you the rarities of the cards that are possible right now. We have a tracker that keeps track of the cards minted and the rarity of those cards. So check that out. But you can basically get as many booster packs or boxes as you want, as long as you have the ADA or Solana, and it's all cross chain. So when you're playing the game, you can be playing Cardano people or Solana people. And we're going to be adding a feature here soon so that you'll know, like you're playing somebody that is playing on the Solana chain or the Cardano chain. And it's like, listen, if we're going to have tribalism, we might as well make it fun. So that's it. I just wanted to show that real quick and how easy it is. And now you can, get out there and be somebody. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon.